The new US visa rules mean Nigerians, Zambians, Gambians, Senegalese, and other African countries may now pay a refundable $5,000 to $15,000 B1, B2 visa bond just to visit America. In this video, listen to Adeola Fayehun break down the new US visa bond requirements that affects citizens from Nigeria and 37 plus other countries applying for B1, B2 visitor visas, tourism, and businesses. And let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you. Listen to Adeola Fayehun to break this
What's
down.
up, my people? First of all, remember the countries banned by the US, some full ban, some partial ban? Well, it turns out now the law doesn't apply to you if you are from one of these countries and you have money. Nigeria, Zambia, Gambia, Senegal, the list is on the screen. Actually, let me rephrase that. It's not just if you have money. If your visa is approved and you have money. For now, this is only if you're applying for the B1, B2 visiting and business visa. So you can now apply, and if your visa is approved, the consulate officer will now give you a direct link for you to pay through pay.gov. Please don't pay through a third party if your visa is approved. Don't let anybody scam you. Pay through the link that they will give you at the embassy. So they will give you the link to pay a bond. Bond is like what you pay in exchange for you to keep a promise, and then you get the money back. So there are three options. Either they tell you, okay, you look like you will come back quickly, so go and pay $5,000 American dollars. That is like 7.3 million naira, depending on the exchange rate that you use. Or they tell you to pay $10,000. That is almost 15 million naira. Or if you look like this one is trying to jackpot, he will not come back. He will not come back. Then they will tell you to pay 15,000 American dollars. Father, that is almost 22 million naira. Hey, whoa. That is just per person, by the way. So if you are a family of 2, you need to multiply that by 2. If you are a family of 4 trying to visit it, multiply that by 4. So that means you will be paying many millions of naira. By the way, you will also need to submit a form I-352 in order for you to post a bond, but that is only after the consular officer directs you to do so. You can Google that form I-352, but you will need to fill it out in order for you to post the bond. By the way, that's not the only issue. Now, people from those countries can only enter America through 3 airports. I'm sorry, just 3 airports, so my people. Either you go to Boston Logan International Airport in Massachusetts, or you go to JFK Airport in New York, or Dulles International Airport in Washington, D.C., which means that they will probably be doing extra luggage check at those airports, extra check for people from these countries. They're probably setting up for you right now. So if possible, don't let your connecting flights be too tight to your arrival time at that airport, if that is not your final destination. So from those places, you can now fly to the city that you're actually trying to go to in America, if your final destination is not any of those 3 cities. Okay, more importantly, if you want to get your money back, your bond, if you want it back, regardless of whatever you told them at the embassy on when you will go and when you will come back, regardless of all that, when you land in America, when you get to immigration at the airport, you will get an admission stamp or record showing your entry date and admit until date. That admit until date is the last day of your allowed duration of stay. So all this will be recorded electronically on your I-94. So please make sure that you leave not later than the date on your I-94, your admitted until date. If you leave later than that date, you will not get your money back. If you refuse to leave at all, you decide to stay, you decided to take back, you will not get your money back at all. And the last reason you will not get your money back is if you stay and apply to adjust out of non-immigrant status, including claiming asylum. Ooh, child, you will not get your money back. What do you guys think about this latest announcement by the US? Let me know in the comment section. I'm really curious. I've seen some people saying, so does this mean only rich people like politicians will be able to go in and out, because this is a lot of money? I don't know. And I've seen people saying, oh my goodness, what's going to happen to family that is more than 2, more than 3, more than 4,
And let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.